Good morning. It's the 19th of September 2012. We had a pretty narrow range again on the overnight, less than 6 points. So we'll probably have a day similar to yesterday. Not a lot of volatility, but we'll look for our trade opportunities. Okay, the market's opening, and we're behaving like we did yesterday. Really flat for the initial opening. Got a couple of fib areas on either side of this channel. Could work out for us. We've got news at 9 o'clock on home sales. It's probably don't want to be in a trade at that time. Okay, we'll sit tight and wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do. Oh, here we got a short signal possibly coming up.
1597, change down.
Order.
1597.
Order filled.
All right, we're in a short based on this very nice signal here. Also has support for a short on the 9/8 TF Sept. 41 could easily roll over, and the 10K's been down for a couple days now. Okay, we've taken a lot of heat on this trade and didn't see a real reason to get out. So, and it's nice to see this, what could be a bounce here. If we get through this lower Bollinger Band on the 987, that'd be great. Okay, we're making some headway. Need to break this previous low. I think we still have downward pressure and momentum. Getting a lot of space on this 233 and pretty fair separation here. Got a strong BB down on this 987. I believe this is going to pass through this Bollinger Band bottom. This continues to look pretty good for a short as well as long term. Okay, we keep tapping on this point of support. Let's see if we can get through it. Still looking good on the indies. Volume is a little light but sufficient. Okay, we had a quick move down and grabbed that first target. We're going to bring our stop up a little bit. Okay, well now we have a trade that can't lose. And here I'm in that situation again, managing that what is supposed to be a runner, but as soon as it gets to up to about this level to 2 points, you know, I feel like I've had my quota for the day. Seems to me we should be able to get to this deep area on the fibs. Coming to center resistance on the 610, approaching it on the these other MACD BB lines. If this guy will close below the Bollinger, that'd be meaningful. We've got a trend line here to help us evaluate this pullback. Okay, this 4181 printed BB just below the Bollinger Band. That's a good sign, even though this is not a strong V down. This leg of the V is weaker than this leg, and the angle is not is less. So we do have a BB that printed on the 987 on the rail, so that's a good sign of a continuing decline in price. Okay, we had a pullback that was pretty significant, made it tempting to get out at break even, but the indies were saying stay in, so I did. And again, hopefully we'll get down to this deeps area. Got another actually this 852 area price that we touched is a pretty significant support level.
Change up.
Okay, we're approaching the support level again, and I think we just
233, change down.
just broke it, so we'll hang in there. Okay, we've got a real stall here. We just had this price sit there for a solid minute. It's a bit unnerving. Not getting any handshaking today, which is good. Just stalled at this level, and I'm not sure what that means, but our indies say stay in. Okay, we just my doorbell just went off. That was an alert I set in case I wasn't looking when price approached this fib. Let's see if he'll continue to go down. Should touch this fib maybe. You know, I don't know where to change my target. Could be this low of the day, or excuse me, previous day. We are getting pretty close to the news, top of the hour, and it's housing starts, so we don't want to be necessarily in the trade when that comes out. Things could get a little bit wild, even on TF. Let's see if we can break this support. Look at that. That's a real brain tease right here. You know, volume has fallen off to almost nothing. So I think we're going to close this trade.
Target filled.
All right. So that's my trade for today. Our last volume was very, very low. So that's a little bit of a red flag. Okay, let's see what our result was. Yesterday we got 2.4 points. Today 2.8. So I'm very pleased. And oh, look at that. We had a price jump down afterwards. But, you know, c'est la vie. Don't want to get greedy. I'm pleased with the results. To recap, market opened here at 8:30. minute and a half later, which is pretty quick after the market opens, we went for a short based on this strong BB down on 610.
233 change up.
When you get an indicator that's that strong, I think you want to go with it. That's part of my rules. Could be headed back the other way, but that's going to be my trading for today. Uh, you know, two, over 2 points in less than half an hour. Hey, that's my kind of trading. Best of luck to you, and see you tomorrow.